As we begin this new chapter in our lives together, I make these vows to you. I promise to be the trustworthy and faithful wife you deserve. I promise to support your dreams and talk through our disagreements. I promise to love you with my whole heart for my entire life. You mean the world to me, and you of all people would know just how big this world is. So I know you understand that you mean a whole lot. You inspire me, challenge me, and remind me to always find the adventure in life. With all my heart, I love you, and I will always choose forever with you. Love always, Olivia.
In a world where genuine connection is hard to come by, I'm grateful to know true love still exists through us. Olivia, you are my partner, my lifeline, someone who balances and complements me in the very best way, tailor-made just for me. You're smart, ambitious, supportive, and value-oriented. I can't wait to see what the rest of our life holds for us. Here's to a lifetime of happiness of love.